What's the most effective way to mix a jar of natural peanut butter? When you buy a jar of natural peanut butter, it typically has a layer of oil on top, which has separated. Mixing it can be messy and time consuming. Aside from slowly and patiently mixing it with a knife, are there any tips and tricks to make this job faster and without spilling?
I've done this with almond butter, and I imagine it would work for peanut butter as well. The secret is to buy it a month or so before you need it, and then store it upside down for a week, so the oil traverses all the way through the jar and its contents, then turn it right way up for another week, and repeat again in each direction. Each trip through the jar mixes the oil with the solids a little more, and it's fairly homogeneous after 4 turns. Yes, this was always a problem for me. Stirring doesn't work because the oil spills out and it's very hard to stir the bottom. The trick is to cut the peanut butter instead of stirring it. I can adequately mix a jar of peanut butter in less than 30 seconds without much effort and no mess this way. Using a butter knife, cut hash shapes in the peanut butter over and over again. The idea is that gravity will naturally take the oil down if you just give it a little room. As you cut and stab at the solid chunks of peanut butter, the oil naturally mixes. At the very end, you can do a couple quick stirring motions, but by now the oil and peanut butter should be mostly mixed.